Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of Facebook series, I will show you how you can boost your Facebook post or your Facebook page using Facebook ads. I've recently made some videos on how to boost your Facebook page for free, but using those tricks you can get results slowly. So if you want some results quickly and if you want to boost your Facebook page or your Facebook post quickly, then you must spend some money to boost your Facebook page using Facebook ads. So let's start our video. First of all, open your Facebook page, and from your Facebook page, let's say I want to boost this post. Okay, so if you want to boost a specific post, a particular post, then you'll have to click on boost post. If you want to promote your page, then here's the option promote your page. So first of all, in this video I will show you how to boost a Facebook post using Facebook ads. So I will click here, boost post. Okay, now first of all you'll have to select an objective of your promotion, like it's a link post and it's a video. So now I want some people to watch my video on YouTube. So what I will do is send people to your website, link clicks. So I will click here, and if you want to get some engagement on your post, like reaction, comment or share or likes, so you'll have to click on post engagement. And if you want to connect or chat with your potential customers, then you'll have to click here. So I want many people to watch my video, so I will click here on link clicks. Okay, so after selecting an objective, like it's an optional feature of Facebook ads, like you can just place a button in front of your ad, like shop now, book now, learn more, and many other buttons are there. So I will click no button. I don't need any button. Now here is the thing. Here is the main thing you need to understand, you need to follow. You'll have to create an audience, create a new audience. Okay, so I'm gonna give a name to this audience, like YouTube reviews. Okay, so gender, I don't need any specific gender from here, so I'll leave it all. If you have some specific product or specific video or specific things about a specific gender, then you'll have to select a particular gender from here, men or women. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. And now from here, age. So my video or my post is about blogging and earning, so I will leave it 18 to 30. Okay, 18 to 30. So you'll have to select the age according to your post, according to your ad. So okay, now from here, location. Okay, location is the main thing. My video is in my language, in Urdu, so I'm gonna select Pakistan from here. Okay, now I can select some cities, I can select any other region of the world. Okay, so I will select the whole country, Pakistan, and I can add more locations like India. Okay, so you'll have to add location according to your need, according to your post. Okay, so if your post is in English and you want to target people in some specific countries like America, like Canada, then you'll have to add America and Canada according to your need. Okay, so now it's detailed targeting. From here, now you'll have to add demographics, interests and behaviors of people. So now like you can see that my video is about online earning, so I'm gonna so now I'm gonna add earn online money. Okay, so you can see that from here your audience size is defined, and potential audience size 3,700 people, and it's great audience for me. So I will add some more interest and tags here. Okay, I can add some more additional features like YouTubers. Okay, freelancer. Okay, now I can just narrow down my audience. It's a huge audience, like you can see that, so I will have to narrow my audience. Okay, from suggestion. Okay, so from suggestion, I wanna add some more specific keywords. I wanna add, like you can see that higher education, it's about earning, it's about online money making. So obviously more people with higher education are likely to earn money online, are likely to make money online. So I wanna add higher education. And now I can say that like people with bachelor's degree are more likely to try to earn money online, so I will add bachelor's degree. Okay, so from here now I can just narrow down more. As you can see that my post or my ad is about YouTubers and blogging, so I will add blogger. Okay, it's a good audience to target. It's potential audience. Like you can see that it's a good audience to target. My audience size is defined. You can just narrow down more if you want, or you can just exclude people using this feature. Okay, so I don't need to narrow my audience further. So I will click save here. Okay. Now from here, automatic placements. Okay, turn it on. It's as recommended by Facebook. And okay, now from here you'll have to set a duration and budget for your Facebook ad. Okay, let's say I wanna run this ad for 5 days and my total budget is 1,000. Okay, as you can see that estimated people reached 3,100 to 9,000 people per day. So it's a great audience to reach. It's potential my audience that have interest in making money online. So you'll spend $200 per day. This ad will run for 5 days ending on 7th May 2020. Okay. So now from payment, you'll have to add a payment method. If you haven't added any payment method before, so you'll have to add a credit card or your any other card systems to this payment method. So I've already done that. So now from here, I can just click on this boost button and my ad will be gone in review. The Facebook team will review my ad, and after that they will decide to place my ads on Facebook or not. So that's how you can just create a Facebook ad on Facebook. So that's how you can boost your Facebook post using Facebook ads. So I can just cancel. I don't need to place this ad for now. So it's just for illustration purpose. So that's how you can boost your Facebook post using Facebook ads. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.